afternoon, everyone. Today we're taking the loader off the 2355. We have it parked in front of the shop here, put it in between the two doors so it's out of the way pretty well. We're taking the loader off this tractor because the ring gear that the starter down there runs off of to start it is missing a few teeth. We're splitting the tractor tomorrow, so we gotta take the loader off to get the tractor split. So we're working to get the loader off here. We just polished it up a bit, gave it a little bit of a pressure wash. We have the stands coming off. This is what holds the loader from falling back. A pair of stands that come down. Okay.
Let the gears get all this. Get all the pressure off these.
Next thing we're doing, we got it off the mounts. Next thing we're doing is taking out all the hoses so we can back away from it.
Clamp that's supposed to be on the back side of that to hold it.
Oh.
You gotta take those 4 bolts out to fix it.
Alrighty. We got the hoses off. Time to see if it'll start back up. The back are out from underneath the loader. Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing the rebuild on the 2355. We got the loader off. Loader's sitting right over there. We got the gator full of the new parts. We're gonna head out to the neighbors. That's where we're gonna rebuild it. We gotta split it down the center here. Pull the back off, pull the front off. There's 4 teeth missing on the ring gear. The ring gear is what is in here, what the starter runs off of. Sometimes it doesn't want to start. That's kind of crucial when we're needing the tractor to start. So we're splitting it, putting new ring gear in, new clutch pads. So we're taking it over there. Should be just about a 6-hour job to do this. 4 guys are going to be doing it. We're on our way to the neighbors. They got a shop over there that we'll be working in today, so nice heated shop. We'll pull the tractor and the lure. Like the road's getting graded. We got the starter off and some of the shields off the side here. These bolts here are out on each side. This is the loader frame, disconnected from the front end. We have to pull the front off. We got the hood, muffler, everything off. All these connections off. We're gonna put a big crane here and pull out to hold this end up, and then jacks and stuff to hold this side up so it doesn't flip or anything. So right in here is where we're working. That gear right there is where we're going into. We've got the tractor split now. Brought about a foot apart. That's the clutch.
That's the flywheel.
That's the flywheel there. The main part we're doing is this gear down in here. All the teeth are missing on it.
Go around the other side, show it from the start.
All these teeth here are missing. So we're putting new gear in there.
Okay, so did you explain? The starter goes right there.
Yes, starter goes on here. Connects with those gears to start the motor.
Do you get what you need?
I think so. Another part we're replacing in here is the clutch disc. This is the old one. It's wore down quite a bit. We're doing this because we got to tear apart the tractor anyway, and it's a loader tractor. Clutch gets used a lot. This is the new one. About half wore down, probably. So we're putting this all new into the tractor. Pretty good. These are all the teeth here that are all chewed apart from the starter that went rogue on us. It's causing it to not start, and it misses all these teeth and won't let it start. So we got it all new one. We're taking this section here off, gonna pound it off, and put the new one on. We got the ring gear on. We had to heat it up to get it on because it expanded with the heat, and then it closes in with the cold air on it. You get it nice and snug. You don't want to pound it on or else you rack it and bend it and it'll screw up when you start it. You got to tear it all apart. We put a new bearing in there. Pilot bearing we got put in there. All these new teeth look much better than all those cut off ones. That old ring gear here was 9,000 hours old, so it's got some wear on it. Dad's gonna go grab it here. Show us it. That's the difference between the two. Quite a bit difference in the teeth. We got a clutch fork put in here that we ordered just for maintenance reasons. We got it apart. There's a chip out of it, which it's good to have that out. It's good that we ordered it and got it, because that breaks, it ends to sway and it causes more problems. So it's good we got that there fixed. The new one put in. This can just snap off. It's getting to be wore. It's got over 9,000 hours on this one. This is the original one. So it's good that we got a new clutch fork put in there. We got housing bearing or something, I don't know. But we got that, and then we're putting it all back on. We didn't put the clutch or anything back on yet because it'd be in the way of pulling all gear out, so we got that all done. We got the flywheel back in here, all bolted in here. We got that bearing put back on top of the fork, clutch fork there. I took some hoses off here. They were leaking, so we bought some new hose, put them on. And when we slide it back together, we'll get the other steel hoses put on. These were all worn and cracked, so decided to take them off. Put new on, new clamps too. We got her back together. Running smooth. Perfect. Starts her up. Sounds awesome. Going home and put the loader back on now. We gotta do barn chores in the morning, so gotta get the loader back on so we can use the tractor to burn. We got the loader back on. Time to put her away. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. It's a new experience for me, splitting the tractor. I haven't done that before. This is the third time the tractor's been split. Mainly for clutch pads. It was done 1,500 hours ago. It's tractor's now at 39,000 hours. And I think the time before, I think we have to with motor or something, I don't know. That was at 4,000 hours. So, we got her all fixed up this time. Got the ring gear all on. We did put a new clutch pad in, it was splendid. And yeah. So, I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Have a good one.